A section of Mount Kenya legislators allied to former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua are demanding for the formation of a public commission of inquiry to investigate abductions, politicization of police, resurgence of criminal gangs, land grabbing and state capture. Addressing journalists in Nairobi, the leaders want the Directorate of Criminal Investigations as well as the Inspector General of Police held accountable for the abduction incidents in the country. Seth Olale has more.
It is now being claimed that the simultaneous release of abductees from different counties suggests a deliberate strategy by the abductors rather than the random occurrences. A group of leaders drawn from the Mount Kenya region says the recent abductions are not isolated as they reflect a disturbing trend of escalating state-sponsored abductions, violence and human rights abuses.
We call for a thorough and transparent investigations into the circumstances surrounding these abductions, as well as appropriate action against all individuals involved.
In calling for the establishment of an independent public commission of inquiry, the leaders want the body to investigate cases of abductions, politicization of the National Police Service, resurgence of criminal gangs, land-grabbing cases, and state capture.
These abductions represent a systematic attempt to silence dissent and instill fear among the populace of Kenya.
The claims coming 3 days after former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua called on the International Criminal Court to keep a watchful eye on Kenya in what he alleges as concerted efforts by the government to revive the outlawed Mungiki sect that plagued the Mount Kenya region for years, leaving behind a trail of deaths.
The ICC should not wait until crimes against humanity have been committed. Now, with the sponsorship of government, they have come back. And for sure, they have started.
The National Assembly, the Senate and all county assemblies being called upon to convene special sessions during recess to discuss and conduct inquiries into the abductions and other pressing matters affecting the society.
We emphasize the necessity for a comprehensive review of public safety measures and accountability mechanisms within law enforcement agencies to ensure protection for all Kenyans.
The legislators stating that the independent inquiry into the cases of abduction are essential to uphold the rule of law, protect human rights, restore public trust in institutions, and safeguard Kenya's democratic values. Seth Olale, Citizen TV.